Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Glenda and today are going to be doing a plan with me with this beautiful Peach Pom kit. It is absolutely gorgeous. Loving the colors and the art on this. The paper quality and the ink quality is excellent. Here is my bookmark that I got from Lead Quito. I'll link her down below. She personalizes them. This is from Peach Pom. She makes so many clips that match her kits and I love them. This is my Villa Beautiful pen that I recently got and felt that matched the kit perfectly. We will be using my week on 4-page inserts that I have foiled, and this third and fourth page is the weekends plus areas that you can customize. Here we will be using this beautiful Simply Gilded washi tape that I feel matches this kit perfectly. You'll see it when it's at the end all put together. So here I did fast forward as much as I could this washi. I hope it doesn't make anybody dizzy. Please let me know in the comments if I am speeding it up too much, but I don't want to have you watch while I lay down this washi because it takes me quite a bit to get it just right. So here I ended up putting the date dots right from the start so that I don't forget like I've done in my other plan with me's. So just getting that out of the way. Here I am trying to find some headers that match the kit, and I found these Sadie sticker headers that I feel match the colors in the kit perfectly, and I lay them out. This year Thanksgiving is at my house. Well, every year it's at my house for the most part, and we have my parents coming up from Florida, my oldest stepson coming in from California, and I am super excited. They are staying with me, but I do also have on Thanksgiving, all of my sisters do come up from the city, and so we have a total of about 18 to 25 people depending on the year, and it's lots of fun. One of my favorite holidays. I'm trying to decide how I'm going to lay out the full boxes. I put the stickers on a ruler because I cannot put it on my arm as I have hair on my arms, and I feel like that will be very painful once I have to pull off these stickers, and kind of gross if you really think about it. But anyway, I do lay these out and I end up changing it once I start laying them out, because I felt that the bow full box just was a little bit too much for the front of this spread. I felt it was just too many bows. The header bows, the washi bows, and then the full box bows. It was, I can't believe I'm saying it, but I felt like it was a little bit too much bow action going on. I really wanted to get this plan with me up and running because it's going to be a really hectic week, and by the end of Thanksgiving I am so pooped and my feet are super swollen, and it takes me a while to recover from Thanksgiving with all the cleaning, the cooking, and hosting, and then cleaning again afterwards. And then my parents and my stepson are staying with us, so I will still be hosting for a while. after Thanksgiving. So I am trying to get this plan with me up and running before the festivities start. Here I do end up using that bow box because I just loved it so much, but I do put down some deco. So there you go. Those are the full boxes, and now this full box is from my favorite shop that I've mentioned quite a few times, Chick Chick Printables. I will link her down below. I also have a discount code if you'd like to purchase from her shop. I mean, her prices are already cheap, so on top of that, getting 20% off, that's a pretty good deal. Thank you, Chick Chick Printables, for that code. Here in this box, I am using it for a few things that I had to go shopping for, and that is a shopping basket from Tasseled Planner, and the little heart is from Simply Watercolor Co. I write in here that I had to go to At Home to buy some Christmas decor, and I also had to go to the supermarket. Here I am using a clapper and an edit lettering, foiled lettering from Rose Colored Days, and also a YouTube sticker on a quarter box from the kit so that I can mark that I was uploading last week's film to YouTube. This little header is from Chick Chick Printables. She has a sheet that has different types of designs that you can use as headers, little squigglies, and it's so cute. Here I am noting that I need to post on Instagram that I uploaded my film. And Wednesday, I am using that half box and a bow from my newest addiction, one of my favorite all-time bows, and a quarter box from the kit, a Magic Prince Co. little alarm. I am using a to-do foiled script from Simply Watercolor Co. and a scissor and comb sticker from Tasseled Planner. I try to match the colors to the kit as best as I could. So here I'm filling out on the top box that I had to leave work early at around 1:45 so that I can pick up my daughter at her program and bring her back to school because she did have a World Language Honor Society meeting, her first meeting of the year. That's what I'm marking in the appointment box with the clock. In the to-do section, I am writing down that I had to cut and color my hair. Yes, I do that on my own as well, in addition to my nails. I'm all about saving money so that I can buy some more stickers. I got a half box from the kit and a quarter box from the kit. And for the quarter box, I am adding a planner from Sticker Sloth. I can't remember the name of the shop, but I will link it down below. And here I am taking a quarter box from Chick Chick Printables with an icon from my newest addiction. It's a pot, a cooking pot, and I'll be marking there what we're eating for dinner. Here I am getting a film sticker to note that I was going to film a review that day, and those are from Rose Colored Days. So this sticker was killing me. It was just crooked. Normally I can deal with it, but for some reason it was just throwing me off. So I used my favorite thing in the whole wide world, the undo, which just it that thing is a miracle worker. You have to get it if you don't have it. Now I'm noting that on Thursday we had a snowstorm. Now, upstate New York, in my area, we got about 8 inches, and it was the first snow of the season. And I am hoping that that is not an indication of what the season is going to be like. I noted that I needed to go to Michael's and that I picked up pizza for my daughter Ellie. Here I'm laying down another half box, a gold foiled half box, and putting a school bus from Tasseled Planner. Didn't like it there, so I ended up putting it right there. And next, I am cutting this half box because I needed some space to write other things, and putting from the kit this important script on this half box that I cut down. That was a little challenging. The stickers are extremely sticky. And I'm just tucking it under there so it just looks a little bit nicer. And then here I end up getting a flag from the kit. I'm noting here that school was closed because we did get about 8, actually, I think we ended up getting 10 inches of snow in our town. So they did close the schools, and my daughter was very happy about that. Under in the important box, I put in that I had to pick up some bagels for work. We were celebrating someone at work who was leaving, and I also noted that I came into work late that day because of the snow and the backup. And next to the flag, I'm writing down that my daughter did have a Friendsgiving. I think that's what you call it, the Thanksgiving, but with the friends at her friend's house. And I picked up some Boston Market. Here I am making I'm sure you guys have seen this many a times. I tried to make, as the weekend I didn't have many things to write down because we were going to be seriously just working on Christmas decorations. So I mean, I'm not the only one, but I do always like to put up my Christmas decorations for Thanksgiving, as my family all do take their Christmas pictures at my house to send out for their Christmas cards. So I do like the house to be decorated with all the Christmas decorations. Saturday, we spent the whole day cleaning up the main floor and dumping things and going through books and moving furniture in order to prepare the where I was going to put the tree and how I had to rearrange the furniture. I'll take a picture of it or post it on my stories on my Instagram account so that if you guys are curious and would like to see. Here I ended up doing it on the ruler, and I cut it on the ruler so that I can have it straight across, and I don't, it just blends in seamlessly with the header that is there. I'm just laying those back out again. So it is a little time consuming, but I just love the end result and how beautiful it looks. I think that extra time that you spend cutting them and rearranging them is worth it. And when I am planning, I'm really not in a rush, so it's very soothing to me to take my time. Here I'm taking a weekend banner from, I mean, a weekend script from Rose Colored Days, and it's the same one I used last week. I love it, nice and bright. I do lay down a half box with a clippy from Sticker Sloth Paper. That's who it is. Sticker Sloth Paper. And here I'm writing in all day Christmas decorations. I just love that little clip. It's just so cute. If you haven't bought stickers from her, you have to go to her shop and see all her cute stickers. So here I'm using the famous arrows from my newest addiction on a flag and a quarter box from Chick Chick Printables. This little clip heart from Tasseled Planners. And next to the arrows, I'm writing that I had to go to Target, the Christmas tree shop, and the supermarket. Target and Christmas tree shop was, I realized the day before that I needed some more decorations. In the quarter box, I just write that I need to finish decorating not only the inside, but also we wanted to finish decorating the outside of the house. We don't really do a lot, but on the outside, but I do like to do something. So usually we have some garland and wreaths. So here I'm taking some deco, and I love, as you can tell, I love those half boxes from Chick Chick Printables, and I just laid some of the deco on it just to decorate that box, and I usually put a quote in that box right there. And then here, as you can see, I did put deco on these extra boxes. If you like this video, please like it, and I would love it if you would subscribe. Have a great Thanksgiving, everybody. Bye.